Health benefits of swimming. Are you ready to take the plunge into a healthier lifestyle? Dive into the world of swimming and experience the incredible benefits for your mind, body, and soul. Imagine yourself gliding effortlessly through crystal clear water, every stroke propelling you closer to a stronger, leaner, and more vibrant version of yourself. Swimming is not just a sport, it's a life-changing experience. With each powerful stroke, you are sculpting your body into a masterpiece. Swimming engages all major muscle groups, simultaneously toning and strengthening, giving you a full-body workout like no other. As you swim, your heart pumps harder, increasing your cardiovascular strength, reducing the risk of heart disease, and improving circulation. Feel your stamina and endurance grow with each lap, and watch your energy levels soar. Embrace the transformative power of swimming and witness the remarkable impact it has on your overall well-being, confidence, and zest for life. Discover the revitalizing effects of swimming on your lung function, as it enhances your breathing capacity and oxygen intake, promoting a healthier respiratory system. Swimming can also boost your cognitive abilities, as it sharpens focus and promotes mental clarity. Dive in and experience the holistic benefits of this versatile activity. Not only does swimming provide physical benefits, but it also does wonders for your mental health. The rhythmic nature of swimming can help reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression, as it releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Swimming is the perfect way to unwind after a long day. The gentle pressure of the water around you soothes your muscles and eases tension, while the calming sound of the water quiets your mind. With its low-impact nature, swimming is also the ideal exercise for those with joint or mobility issues. The buoyancy of water supports your body weight, reducing the strain on your joints and allowing for a more comfortable workout. As you continue to swim, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility and balance, decreasing the risk of injuries and enhancing your overall quality of life. Swimming fosters social connections and camaraderie, as you bond with fellow swimmers, sharing the pursuit of a healthier, happier, and more active lifestyle. In summary, swimming is the ultimate workout for both your body and mind. So, grab your goggles, take a deep breath, and dive into a world of health and happiness. Get ready to make a splash on your journey to a better you.